Hello. Sorry for not much content lately. We have been working on getting our workshop underway. We've done the pad, which I'll put a little bit of a time lapse in of us doing that. So the frames will be getting started this week, and then sheeting and everything in the next week to 2 weeks. So hopefully within 3 weeks to 4 weeks we should be in there with all our tools and stuff, setting up the shop properly. So follow along if you want to keep seeing that. For now I have to make a little sign to go out the front of the property, just with our name, details and stuff on there for the owner builders while we're building. So I'm just going to do a bit of bead rolling because I can, and then we will put that up. well, that's it for that one. I'm just going to put a couple of stickers in here, just our name and stuff like that, just for the what we have to do for the council. But it's just a quick little sign, bead rolled up. Let me know what you think. See you next time.